Okay everybody, quick 101 on how to throw a bullet connector on the end of an ESC. This is a female. You can see the little weep hole I'm showing you there in the picture. You can see it through into the cardboard below. It's where your solder is supposed to just weep out of once everything's finished. I'll show you how with a little soldering tip you get these done quick and easy. So I'll set it up. I'll get it set so I can see what's going on, because at the moment the camera's going through it. So I'll set myself straight and I'll be right back and we'll just do a quick one-off here. Alright guys. Okay, just a quick note over the top. Just place your soldering iron tip through that weep hole. You've got a nice small soldering iron tip. And let it all flow over the top. Let it flow over the top of the iron and then pool in. As it pools in, you can see that the solder just stays hot in a nice warm pool. Okay. Okay, now just keep that solder warm by just placing the tip back through the hole. Keep it warm. Press the cable in. Keep it warm in there, keep it hot, flowing in. Now remove it out. Oh, we should be right here. I don't know how much I got on that for the camera to see. I think my hands might have just been in the way. Right. Sometimes you get left with this little blob on the end. Oh no, just save yourself. I don't like that little blob. Now there's no more little blob. Okay. Quick lesson. On how not to use your soldering iron for too long. So you can see I can already grab hold of that. Give it a good twist around. You can see that it's pooled in well. It's gone up the cable because you can feel it's hard as it leaves the... So, simple, quick, easy, they're on. Okay guys, so as you can see, just a few parts that you've got down on the table. Now you've got your soldering iron, you've got your solder, you've got your bullet connector, got some heat shrink. Plain old ESC, ends up with bullet connectors on it, ends up with heat shrink on it. All looks good. Throw it together, half an hour, 4 of them done. So sit down, don't be frightened, have a go. It's quick, it's easy. Just follow those little tips. Okay, see you next time on the next video. Cheers.